Once upon a time, in the vast grasslands of Africa, there lived a majestic lion named Simba. Known for his awe-inspiring presence and commanding roar, Simba was admired and respected by all the animals in the kingdom. But behind his fierce exterior lay a remarkable tale of courage, determination, and unwavering spirit. Simba's life took an unexpected turn when he encountered a life-threatening accident. While hunting, he got caught in a treacherous trap set by poachers. His leg was badly injured, leaving him unable to walk properly. Simba's dreams of being the king of the jungle were shattered, and he felt helpless and defeated. Despite his physical limitations, Simba refused to surrender to despair. He realized that his attitude and mindset were crucial in overcoming adversity. With unwavering determination, he set out on a journey of self-discovery and inner healing. Simba sought guidance from wise old animals in the kingdom, learning valuable lessons about resilience, adaptability, and the power of a positive mindset. Simba's unwavering spirit and newfound wisdom ignited a fire within him. He started his rehabilitation, pushing himself beyond his limits each day. With perseverance and a positive attitude, Simba overcame the odds. His injured leg grew stronger, and he regained his ability to walk, run, and even hunt once again. Simba's triumphant journey inspired animals far and wide. He became a symbol of hope, teaching others the importance of resilience and the power of a positive attitude in the face of adversity. Simba's story spread like wildfire across the animal kingdom, reaching the ears of creatures from the smallest insects to the largest elephants. Within Simba's story demonstrates that it is not the circumstances we face, but our attitude towards them that defines our destiny. Just like Simba, we all encounter setbacks in life. However, it is our inner resilience and unwavering determination that help us rise above the challenges and roar against the odds. Remember, within each of us lies the spirit of a lion. Embrace your inner strength, believe in yourself, and never give up. Roar with courage, for even in the darkest moments, you have the power to inspire others and change the world. As the sun sets over the vast African savanna, the echoes of Simba's roar resonate in the hearts of all who hear his story. Let Simba be a reminder that greatness lies within each of us, waiting to be awakened. So, my friends, let us roar against the odds and conquer our dreams with unwavering determination. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.